Okay. So n'izu gara aga anyị mere ihe a na-akpọ grammar rule Igbo, how to make a sentence in Igbo. Okay, grammatically, not in English grammar. Because sometimes some things you say in Igbo, the way you put it in Igbo, grammatically in English, it is correct, it's wrong. Some of the things you put in English, grammatically in Igbo, it is wrong. So, for example, when Ogechuku say something like you and I, but in Igbo, it is the other way around. It is monage. So it's going to be me and you. But grammatically in English, it is wrong, even though people do say that. Okay, so now, and when you're doing something when it comes to grammar rule, numerals, ordinal numbers, cardinal, and subject, verb, noun. So you have to switch. Okay, so let me ask questions. I'm not gonna share a page because I don't want you to see what I'm saying or what I'm going to ask you. Kamsi on eba. Kamsi on eba.
Anọ m ebe a.
Daalụ Kamsi. N'izu gara aga, anyị mere ihe ndị a m na-aga ịjụ. So meaning last week, we did all that I'm going to ask. How do you say in Igbo? Two people or more, or two people and above. Kamsi ọ nọ ebe a?
Two people.
Kamsi, gwa nwanne gị nwoke ya si ebe ahụ pụọ.
Okay.
Okay, Ogechukwu ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ya.
Aha. Ogechukwu, kedu etu esi asị? Try or
Yes,
try your best.
two people or more.
No,
Mmadụ
Ogechukwu, I said try. I didn't
Yes.
ask you the same question.
Oh,
Kedu etu esi asị try your best.
okay. Which question am I answering?
Try. How do you say try?
So how do I say try? Oh, try. I'm not
Okay. Chiamaka, how do you say in Igbo? How do you say? I ate food 2 days ago. Chiamaka ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ebe a.
How do you say I ate food 2 days ago?
I ate food 2 days ago bụ m riri ụbọchị abụọ gara aga.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
M riri nri ụbọchị abụọ gara aga.
Nriri gịnị?
Ụbọchị.
Nriri, what did you eat? You didn't tell us what you ate.
Oh, you asked me what I ate. Oh.
I said,
nriri.
I ate food. You just said nriri. What did you eat? I mentioned food.
M riri osikapa ụbọchị abụọ gara aga.
Okay, what is food called? What is food? Gịnị bụ food?
Amaghị m ya.
Okay, all right. Egbalere mana. At least you should know what is food. Food means hungry. But when you are addressing yourself, remember I said you have 2 letters. I never included M in it. You said nriri. So Chiamaka, gịnị bụ mkpụrụ okwu abụọ ahụ? What are the 2 letters? that I said you can use this or the other one.
And
And so why did you use really? So you shouldn't use at all because
I try again.
okay, how can I try again? Kwuo n'Igbo. Kwuo, can I try again n'Igbo? Meaning say it in Igbo. Kwuo ya na Igbo.
Amagimia, but I know that try is Balia. But I don't know how to.
Kamgbalea ọzọ.
Kambalia Ozo.
Kamgbalea ọzọ.
Kambalia Ozo.
Let me try again. That's what it is. Okay, ngwa gbalịa.
Eating.
No? Are you using a or are you using a?
Eating. Osipaka.
No, I don't want you to use the name of the food. I want you to use the generic name. Food. Also, I ate food.
Eating. Niri. Ubochi.
Eriri m nri.
Nri. Ubochi. Abua. Agaraga.
Gara aga.
Gara aga.
Okay, daalụ. Ike nọ n'ebe a. Ikenna ọ nọ ebe a? Ikenna ọ nọ ebe a? I see Ikenna here. Ikenna. Uchenna ọ nọ ebe a? Uchenna. Okay. Emeka, gịnị ka a na-akpọ kọma ma ọ bụ period? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ full stop?
Fruit stop.
Yeah.
Oh, pom.
Pom. Kedụkwa ihe ọzọ a na-akpọ ya? Kedu afọ ọzọ a na-akpọ kpọm?
Ntụpọ.
Ntụpọ. Daalụ Jacob, gịnị ka a na kedu etu ị ga-esi asị? They wash their plates and spoons. Jacob ọ nọ ebe a?
Asa na efere ha.
Jacob ọ nọ ebe a? Ị ga-azagodu m ihe m jụrụ? Gịnị?
Ana m ebe a.
Daalụ. Now, they wash their plates and spoons. Jacob.
Ha sana efere ganji.
Ha sara gịnị?
Efere.
Did I say only efere? They wash their plates and spoons.
Ha sara efere na ngaji.
Okay. Jacob, kedu etu ị ga-esi asị? My teacher is here. Jacob, unmute yourself. I'm not done with you. Jacob.
Onye nkuzi nọ.
Okay. Jacob, don't mute. I'm asking you another question. Do not mute again. Jacob, kedu etu ị ga-esi abịa? Kedu etu ị ga-esi asị? They came today, but they are not coming tomorrow. They came today, but they are not coming tomorrow. Jacob.
Ha bịa taa.
Ha bịara taa.
Ha bịara taa.
But they are not coming tomorrow.
Ha agaghị abịa echi.
Kwuo bido n'isi kwugharịa ya ọzọ. Gịnị bido n'isi kwugharịa ya ọzọ, Jacob?
Ha bịara taa.
No, Jacob, gee ntị. Bido n'isi. Gịnị bido n'isi?
Start over again.
Okay. Tell your dad I'm going to fight him right now. Gwa papa gị na onye nkuzi si na mụ na ya ga-alụ ọgụ. Jacob, gịnị ka m kwuru? si ya na nna anụ ihe ọ na-ekwu na m achọghị ka ọ gwa gị ihe m jụrụ gị. Achọrọ m ka ọ wụrụ gị ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru. Mụ na ya ga-alụ ọgụ ma m gbasa akwụkwọ taa. Aga m akpọ ya. Mụ na ya ga-alụ ọgụ. Ọkwa ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru, Jacob? Jacob,
Can you repeat that, please?
gwa papa gị na onye nkụzi si na mụ na ya ga-alụ ọgụ. Gịnị wee lụ ọgụ?
Fight.
Okay, good. Daalụ. Ngwa. Kwugharịa ya ọzọ. They came today, but they are not coming tomorrow. I want you to say that in Igbo. Gbalịa, Jacob, try. Don't forget we did pronouns. So you're supposed to be able to say this. Put it together. Okay? Okay, Chukwu nyere ya aka. They came today, but they are not coming tomorrow.
Um,
Am I
ha-
here with there? Huh? There you go.
Ha bịara taa.
Ha bịara taa.
Ma ha
Mana.
mana ha bịaghị.
Remember the negative. Mana ha,
mana ha
agaghị.
Okay.
Keep
Echi.
going. Okay, bidokwa ya n'ishi. Gịnị wụ bido ya n'ishi, Ogechukwu?
Bido na isi. You said start over?
Good.
Okay.
They came today, but they will not come tomorrow. Or they are not coming.
Ha bịara taa, mana ha agaghị.
Yeah.
Echi.
Abịa, mana ha agaghị abịa echi.
Okay, mana ha agaghị bịa echi.
Agaghị abịa.
Agaghị abịa echi.
Okay, kwugharịkwa ya ọzọ.
Ha bịara taa, mana ha agaghị abịa echi.
Okay, daalụ. I hope everybody had her. Uchenna. Uchenna ọ n'ebe a? Uchenna. Uchenna, kedu etu esi asị two people or more n'Igbo? Uchenna, kedu etu esi asị two people or more n'Igbo?
You said two people or more? Mmadụ abụọ.
Gịnị wụ all? You know that by now. Gịnị wụ all? Gịnị wụ all? Emeka, gịnị wụ all?
Maọbụ.
Maọbụ. Ogechukwu, gwa anyị etu esi asị five people or one person. Five people or one person.
Ise.
Five people. How do you say five people?
Mmadụ ise.
Or one person.
Maọbụ ofu mmadụ.
Maọbụ ofu onye. Okay, now there you go.
Okay.
There you go. I know why I asked this question. So, otu onye maọbụ ofu onye, see that? Don't forget, when it's one person, ofu onye maọbụ otu, then so even though yes, ofu mmadụ, yeah, but that's not the right way to say it. I know mmadụ is human, okay? But once you're passing 1 to 2, it changed from onye to mmadụ, right? So pay attention to that, everybody. So, kedu onye ga-agwa m etu esi asị mmadụ? Oh, giving them the answer. Two people or more who can say that. Kedu onye ga-ekwu ya? Two people or more. Michelle. Okay, Ogechi.
Mmadụ abụọ Mobukaria.
Mmadụ abụọ maọbụ karịa. We did this last week, right? So, I don't know what's going on here. I'm going over this to know how many of you reviewed your class note. And if after class and you don't even review and you're waiting for the next Saturday to come to class, hey, it's not going to work. The goal is we finish the class. You have to know everything before you come back next week. We can't be rolling this way. We have event coming up, and I want all of you to come. And you're coming there to present something, to show people what you've learned. You can't be coming to class and we have a lot of the content is going to be going on. And this event, you will have a lot of people coming. Well, there's another adult class that I have, just strictly for young adults. Okay? A handful of them are coming. So I have some of you to give us a speech in Igbo. I know some of you, because of that, now they don't want to. But you need to come out and overcome that fear. And trust me, when you stand in there facing people doing it, that's it. That's all it takes. So we're going to stop class here. What we're going to discuss now is about the event, your ideas, what you plan to present. I don't know if I'm going to have parent meeting anyway. So I need some ideas. If you're coming, what you think that you're going to present. If you're not coming, it's still okay to suggest an ideas. But first of all, we need to, I need to give you a chance to ask me questions. I need to know the area that you're struggling. I need to know what is really, what you are battling with when it comes to this language. This is chance for you to ask me questions, and I'm going to write all the questions. And then we'll be able to come up with ideas how to, because I know people learn differently. So I need you to ask me questions, how you think. Tell me how you learn best, okay? The best way you learn, and then ask me questions, some of the things that you're not able to understand. Whether it's a number, but numbers is not something I'm gonna teach you. I gave you the formula. It's up to you to sit down and learn it. But if you're struggling, trying to get that formula, yes, you can ask me questions. You can ask me questions when it comes to alphabet. It is your job to sit down and listen to the sounds, okay? So I'm not gonna sit down and teach alphabets, but every other thing, when it comes to grammar rule, when it comes to verb, when it comes to pronouns or other words, or you want to know this, then we're going to work on how, if you know this and you know that, how you're going to conjugate it, how to put it together. Because if you don't get your pronouns, you're going to struggle. If you don't know how to put it in a present tense, past tense, and future tense, you let me know now, and we can go over all this. So I'm going to open the floor for questions. So feel free to ask questions now. I'm waiting. Kedu onye na-ekwu nu?
Chiamaka.
Okay, Chiamaka, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị?
I have a couple questions about conjugation because it's really
Okay.
difficult to conjugate because like some words like have E in front of it, some words have an A in front of it, and I don't know when to do those. I mean, I remember that you said that like some words have I's. Those ones I figured out how to do those ones. But I'm also with
Which
spelling,
ones are you talking about?
like eating has an E in front, but it doesn't have an A in front. I would like to know why. Is that like
Okay, is it when it comes to nri or iri is what, Chiamaka? First of all, I want to make sure you understand what is
I
iri.
I
Gini
ate.
wu iri.
I ate.
No, iri is to eat.
Oh, to eat.
Yeah, to eat. So, because you need to understand what it is first before we can go further to say, okay, to explain it further. Because if you don't know what it is, you won't be able to understand it. So, iri is the verb, okay? To eat, okay? To eat. Now, if you want to say, I ate food, that's when everything will change now, okay? So you are going to add, you're going to remove the I in front of the re, okay? So you're removing that to now. Iri, okay? I is to. Then re, it. Now, when you're trying to make a sentence, you remove, when you say I ate, you're not going to have return that to there. So I ate, don't forget the two letters now, a and e. I ate. Now you're going to add something in front of re, which is ri, and then you add something ri. Okay. Eririm, nri. Nri is there. Nothing is changing. Nri means food. Okay. So you're not changing anything. But when you're trying to conjugate the verb, so you're removing that a. Okay. Yeah, let me go ahead and type it because I want to make sure you're paying attention to what I'm saying. So, all right, so let me get it up. So I'm sharing a page now. Okay, I hope everybody will see it. Come on. Okay, you can see the page now. So, okay, let me go up. You know why this thing is doing this. Okay, so, iri to eat, okay? I ate food today. You see the page now? This air is referring to me when I say I ate food. You see, now let me break it up. Ririm, nri. Now, Chiamaka, if you want to say she ate food, how will you do that?
O for off.
Uh-huh.
Already.
Nri, right?
Oh,
Okay.
so really.
So now, instead of you putting you're putting the pronoun she, right? Which is o riri. It's still riri. Now you added, you removed, you didn't remove anything, remember? The only thing you remove is a, which is to. Iri is to eat, right? Now, when you want to conjugate and say, eririm, I ate food. So you remove that to, which is a, okay? But don't be confused here. When you're trying to point at somebody, if you're pointing at me and say, you ate food, now you're going to put a, because a is what? What is a, Chiamaka?
E?
When you look at me and you're pointing at me and say, you ate food. So what is the pronoun you? Okay, chicken pronoun you.
E.
Eh, there you go. The reason I say that is this. I don't want you to think that just because iri is to eat, when you you forget that the pronoun you is a, and then you're going to get confused and say, I thought you say you remove a, but don't forget the sentence is you. You ate food. So the you is a riri. Riri. Nri. Ngri is still the same. But the only thing you added, really. So who will tell me what is really here? Can you hear the word really? Oh. What is it in English?
Kaya also. Boo?
What is the word really in English? It's there
Eat.
on the screen. Earth.
Eight.
Earth, yes. E is you. Earth is really. Okay? Now, ngri is food. That's it. So all you need to do is to break it down. Okay, Esa, to watch. Okay? Now, when I say they wash their plate, ha, Sarah. Now, don't forget that you also need your vowel harmony here. You cannot say ha, sare. You can't combine the vowels. I believe we're over that right now. So, Jamaka, I just want to understand. I just want to know if you really understood what I said.
I
Okay,
really like the
Okay. Now, kedaji jugozo.
that's it. Thank you. Dalo.
Imeela. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Michelle, ahụrụ m aka gị n'elu.
My question, it is not really a question, just if we could go over a conjugation. I mean, not conjugation, sorry, negation.
Okay. Right now, okay, so let's
Or
do
just
this.
in general, or in the future.
Yeah, we can do that. When you say positive and negative, okay, negative negation. Okay, so when we say I have versus I don't have, you have, you are here, you are not here. Okay, so when I say I have, it means the don't got one here, but I have. Don't forget the two letters you're supposed to start it. Kadayama here I have.
Enwerem.
Enwerem. So nwere. Nwere means have. E is referring to yourself. Now, when you say I don't have, so okay, chiketi geshekwu ya. So gbalịa.
Enwegim.
Enweghị m. There you go. Enweghị m. So, what did you remove, Ogechi?
The R-E.
The R-E. Re. So we removed R-E. Enweghị. This G-H-I is what is putting it in a negative form. Okay? So, now when you say achorum, some people say acholum, maba achorum. So you can say acholum, maba achorum. Now, okay, shikede tige shekwu ya, mawona if you don't want.
Achagim.
Look at the look on the screen there. Gịnị ka ị ga-ewepụ? Kedu ihe ị ga-ewepụ?
The R-O.
Now, go ahead. At least you know what to do. Sound the word.
Achogim.
Achogim. There you go. Achogim. You're just adding that. Achogim means I don't want. Okay, achogim ya.
Achogim ya.
Gịnị ka ọ wụ?
I don't want it.
There you go. It's just a matter of knowing what is ya, what is gay, what is so. If you know this is all you need to do, just put it together. Just like in numbers. When you are learning it in school, they'll tell, let's, for example, break it down. If it's in thousands, bring out 1,000 out, bring 100 out, bring it 20, two numbers. That's it. All you need to do, just put the prepositions. In this case, all you need to do, you know your pronouns, you know the word. So if you don't know it, it's a different thing. But if you know it, all you need to do, just plug it in. Okay, so achorum, achogim, enwerem, enwegim. You are here. Now, kedonye gabale, merang, you are here. You are not here. Kedonye gam emeya. I'm going to will it kill. Kedonye game, you are here. Okay, come see.
You are here, boo. Ino, eba.
Eno, eba. Kekwanu maka, you are not here.
You are not here, boo. Inogi, eba.
Enoge, eba. Eno, gini ka itinyere na ya?
Ye.
There you go. Enoge, eba. That's it. Okay, Chukwu, odoro gị anya. Okay, Chukwu, odoro gị anya. Gịnị ka? Odoro gị anya.
I'm not sure what that
Use
means.
your imagination.
Okay, do I see?
No, odoro gị anya means, did you understand? Is it very clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Means odoro gị anya. Now, well, that's a new word today. Odoro gị anya. Is it clear?
Okay.
Can you repeat the word? Can you?
Odoroganya.
Odoro is a question.
Odoro.
Odoro gị anya. No, I want you to sound the word.
Okay.
Odoro gị anya.
Odoroganya.
Odoro gị anya.
Odoroganya.
No, you are saying it is clear. There are two different
Okay.
verses. It's okay. Odoro gị anya with a, okay, wait.
Okay.
Let me type it. Is it clear? Okay. Or is a question, okay? Versus it's okay. For example, right? Is it clear? Versus it is clear. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, when you say it is clear, they are not the same. Now, this one doesn't have a question mark. So, odoroganya is the one that says, is it clear? Odoro. Ge anya. That's a question. And this one says, odoro anya. You see that? Odoro anya. Do you see that? Odoro anya. Okay, so now I want you to sound the first one.
Okay. Odorogi anya.
Odorogi anya.
Odorogi anya.
No, you're still saying it is clear. Odorogi anya.
Odorogi anya.
Yeah. Now the other one is what? The one, it is clear.
Odoranya.
Odoranya. Now the first one, is it clear?
Odorogi anya.
No.
Odorogi anya.
No. The question one. Can you say that? Kedu onye ga-ekwute ya? Uchenna. Okay, Chiamaka. Is it clear?
Odorogi anya.
Onye ọzọ?
Odorogi anya.
Odorogi anya. Kedu Kamsi? Oya.
Odorogi anya.
Odorogi anya. Emeka kwuo ya. Is it clear?
Odorogi anya.
Okay, Uchenna. Is it clear?
Odorogi Odorogi Anya.
Okay. Okay, back to you again. Is it clear?
Odorogi Anya.
Come on, you gotta get it. We're not living here until you get it. Odorogi Anya.
Odorogi Anya.
Aha! Okay, Jacob. Jacob, is it clear?
Odorogianya.
Odoroganya. Ikenna. Ikenna. Okay, Ikenna. Ikenna, is it clear? Achọrọ ka ikwuo ya n'Igbo.
Odorogi
Okay, Ogechi, is it clear in Igbo?
Odorogi Anya.
Ah. Come on, let's go back again.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Odorogi Anya.
No. Say it again. Go yours.
Odorogi Anya.
No.
Wait, do we
Okay,
repeat it
Chigante.
or answer it?
Odorogi Anya.
Odorogi Anya.
Go yours.
Odorogi Anya.
There you go. Now,
Okay.
after class, record yourself.
Okay.
I know some words are like that. It's okay. Okay, so Ejuchala Jujugi, do you have another question? Okay.
Yes. Well, I guess my other question is for the negation for future tense. You put it in the
Okay, make a sentence. For example, what do you want?
like. I will go out. I guess.
I will go out. Okay. Okay. Ngwapidoya. Guinness. How do you start? I will.
Anamaga.
No. Anama, what you're saying is, I am going out. Yeah. Okay. And I went out. Okay. Good questions, though. Okay. So, I will, in fact, there's something I'm going to teach you next time about it. I will go out. Okay. So, this is you saying, this is how you're going to remember when it's past tense. I will. Agam. Okay. So, now let's just remove this and get it right here. I am. Let's explain it. Went out. Okay. This is when it comes to continuous, right? So this is our will. Aga. Okay. You use aga to do it. So let me remove all this. I say I am. Okay. When you say aga, will is aga. Okay. I will. Aga. Agam. Aga. Now, this is future tense. That's what it is. When I use FT to do future tense. I am. Okay. Let's just use I am. I will. So I am. Anam. Okay. The I is just you. Na. Okay. Agam. Aga. Okay. Now, if you want to do this, went. Jere. Use jere or gara. Okay. This is went. Then if it's came, if you say, I came, garam, agara, okay? So, agara, okay? I will, agam, see, I will, aga, okay? I will come, Agam, I am. Anam, I came. Agaram. Now, if you say I went, you can use ejerem on this one. Ejerem, mob, agaram. Okay, so this will let you know when to use the future tense, continuous tense, past tense. This is also past tense. And also past tense. Okay, so you're looking at it now. Do you think it is clearer?
Clear for to negate.
Okay, it means like a negation now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me fix this. Okay. So give me example. You want to say I will not.
Yes.
Okay. I will not go. I am not there. I did not go. Okay. I did not go. This one we're going to say they didn't go. Okay. I will not go means with the ga means agagem. Aga. What do we add here? GHI. Agagem. Aga. Agagem. Aga. Now, I am not there. Anogem. Anorem. Don't forget. Anorem. Ebe ahụ. Ebe ahụ. There means ahụ. Ebe ahụ. Okay. This one, I did not go. Okay, achọrọ nke ime nke a. Okay, achọrọ nke ikwuo nke a.
Okay.
I did not go.
Eba.
Daalụ, Jacob. Aga, okay, agaghị m. Agaghị m. Come on. Ebe ahụ. No, I did not go. Agaghị m siso. I did not say I did not go there, Jacob. So what it is I did not go. Agaghị m, simple. Okay, kedu onye ga-eme? They didn't go. Kedu onye ga-eme? They didn't go. Kedu onye ga-eme? They didn't go. Ha agaghị. Ha agaghị. Ogechi, hụla ya ugbu a? Ogechi.
Yeah.
Okay. Ha agaghị. What I would suggest, practice it, make some sentences. Make sentences on your own, and then you can send to me, you know that?
Yes.
Write them out, do it yourself, or you record it yourself and send me the recording.
Okay.
And then I will correct it and let you know where you're not doing what you're not doing right. Okay? Yeah, but practice it, email everybody. You can also practice on your own. Now, I need everyone, since we are running out of time, I need you to send me info. Let me know if you're coming to the event. Even if you're not coming, we need the ideas what we're presenting. If you're coming, I want you to let me know what you're presenting, because I'm mapping things out and I'm going to give everybody what they're doing. So I need to know, first of all, the idea is what we are presenting. If you're coming, even if you're not coming, don't forget to suggest something. Send it to me. Everybody need to come up with something. Okay. All right. Wakemesiano.
Cordio.
Ndewo.
Audio.
Yeah.
Wakemesiao.
Cordier.
All right.